Hello and welcome to Cat Science Club. Today's activity is titled Layers of Liquids. For today's activity, you will need a clear container, a water bottle would work great, some various liquids, and some other various items. First, we're going to start by putting some Pancake Syrup in the bottom of your clear container. Next, we'll add some water. I colored my water red so that you could see it a little bit better. Look at how it's floating on top of the corn syrup. That's because it's less dense than the corn syrup. Next, let's try some glue. Look at how the glue sits right on top of the corn syrup. How about some pancake syrup? Our pancake syrup is actually more dense than the glue, so it goes right through the glue. Where do you think the vegetable oil will land? Look at that, it floats right on top. If we try some liquid dish soap, it makes a beautiful blue layer. But you'll notice it starts to sink because it is more dense than the water, but less dense than the glue. The rubbing alcohol layer is a little more difficult to see, only because I used pink. Next time I would probably try for green or purple. If you've got some various items that you could drop in, see where they land. I tried a plastic bead, and look at it float on top of the water. There you have it, layers of liquid, or density as we call it in the science world. Thanks for joining us today with Cat Science Club. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.